So here's how to get a link for your Game Pass in Roblox. So first you will need to open your browser and navigate to roblox.com, and then make sure you're signed into your account, and then you want to click on the create button, and then on the left side you want to click on creations and then select your experience. So for example this one. Then you want to scroll down to monetization section and then click on passes. And in this list, you should see all your passes available that you have created. And then you can simply click on the three vertical dots next to the pass, and then click on either copy URL, or you can click on copy ID or copy pass ID. Now you can simply paste the link here and it should take you to this pass. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.